How to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically archive and unarchive Instagram posts. You simply open up Instagram on your phone and you simply open up any post that you guys want to archive. Now click on the top right on these three dots, then click on archive, and this post is going to be archived. Now over here, as you can see, that post is now long gone. If I want to unarchive this particular post, so now from over here, you can simply click on the top right on these three lines, then click on archive, and then after that, you will be able to see the stories archive. Click on the top on stories archive and click on posts archive, and you can simply see your archived posts. Now from over here, simply click on the top right on these three dots, then click on show on profile, and now your post has successfully been unarchived. So that is how you guys can basically see your post archived or unarchived. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.